Introducing NoHost, the website that doesn't need hosting. Before you continue, we strongly advise you to mark or save this post, because you are definitely going to need it. What if your website didn't need a hosting account? What if your customers could install and carry your website on their own devices? What if your website worked even when there was no internet connection? Welcome to NoHost. NoHost is a new way of building and distributing websites. Instead of only publishing websites to a server and paying monthly hosting fees, NoHost lets you create websites that are installed directly on customer devices, hosted by the customer device itself. Offline first, smartphone first, easy to distribute just like sharing a business card. Available wherever your customers go. With NoHost, registration is optional, login is optional, payment is optional. Monthly hosting fees are unnecessary unless you opt to put it online. Your website becomes something people can keep, carry, and access whenever they need it. Do you already have a website online? In that case, NoHost isn't a replacement, it's the missing layer. NoHost was never designed to replace your website, cloud storage, CRM, or online business tools. It was built to strengthen them. Think of it as your portable digital library, a powerful companion that puts your most important information directly into the customer's hands wherever they go. Your online systems remain online. Install it now. We invite you to install the NoHost application right away so you can explore it at your convenience. Installation takes only a few seconds. Install directly from your browser. No app store required. No lengthy setup process. You can visit NoHost app right now, install the application, and then continue with this presentation afterward. Okay, let's get back to NoHost introduction. What if building a website felt as natural as writing a document? NoHost was created for a world where people live on smartphones, where ideas move quickly, and where too many people still do not have websites because creating one feels difficult, technical, expensive, or slow. For years, building a website has usually meant create an account, choose hosting, configure settings, learn complicated tools, publish, maintain. NoHost asks a different question. What if you could simply start typing? NoHost build websites differently. It is not a traditional website builder. You do not drag and drop. You do not describe a website. You do not configure hosting. You simply type naturally, exactly as if you were writing in a word processor. And while you type, your content is transformed into HTML live. A preview window shows your website forming instantly in front of you. Every word becomes structure. Every paragraph becomes presentation. Every idea becomes presence. When you are done, download your standalone HTML website. One file, ready to carry, ready to share, ready to distribute, no hosting required. Create hyper digital content instantly. Build experiences such as hyper business cards, hyper company profiles, hyper catalogs, hyper brochures, hyper proposals, hyper product showcases, hyper personal profiles, hyper event pages, hyper presentations, and much more. Write your content, watch it, become a website built for the modern internet, smartphone first. Created primarily for the way people actually use the internet today, through their phones, offline first. Your websites remain usable even when connectivity is limited or unavailable. Digitally distributable, share your website as easily as sharing a document. Send it, store it, carry it, install it, keep it. NoHost changes websites from something people must visit into something people can carry, install, share, distribute, and keep. No accounts, no hosting, no waiting. With NoHost there is no hosting required, no registration required, no login required, no technical skills required, no monthly fees, no complicated setup, no special device required, just your smartphone and your ideas. a new kind of website experience. Whether you are a small business, an entrepreneur, a freelancer, a creator, an organization, a student, or simply someone with something to say, NoHost gives you the ability to create digital presence instantly. No servers to manage, no publishing barriers, no waiting for permission. Just open, type, preview, download, share, see it for yourself. Visit NoHost today. Install directly from your browser, no app store required. Your next website may begin the same way. Your next message begins by typing NoHost. Write websites, download HTML, share anywhere.